Hello, people of the internet. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 easy ways to change your life. These are just literally 3 things that you can do today that will help you on the path to fully changing yourself and improving yourself. Self care is a pretty hot topic nowadays, considering what's happened post pandemic and all of those such things. And these are just 3 things that I started doing that have really helped me just day by day. Hopefully you can implement these and hopefully they'll help you out too. Number one, drinking more water. Yes, I know you've heard it a bajillion times. It's something that literally everyone talks about, but it's true. Like before I started let me just show you my water bottle here. I got the big boy. I'm gonna cover the brand name. It's got some paint on there if you can see that, and this is several years old. See, it's got some battle scars right there. But yeah, this is 64 ounce um, water bottle. It's one of those like reusable ones. It's steel, nice and drop resistant. But yeah, it's refill it all you want. Um, it's not the most portable thing if you're trying to take it into a backpack, but it does the job. And I drink 2 of these a day because I, you know, really like to make sure I get a lot of water. And like before I started drinking that much water, like I was always like itchy and you know my thinking wasn't as clear, and like when I would eat food and stuff, like I'd feel like it didn't digest as well, and like just a whole bunch of different things. I'm not gonna go into the science of why you should drink more water because there's you know a lot on the internet about that already, but just from like personal experience, it's really helped me. Like it's helped my skin, my hair feels softer. Um, like I can think better, and like I said, my digestion is better, and just for someone like if you are like me and you're a creative person, you kind of need to feel good in your body in order to concentrate on creating art. So um, I think drinking water is like important number one step to start improving yourself, like and changing your life, like because it's really important. Like so yeah, number two, which can actually be aided by you starting to drink more water, which is start exercising. Yes, these are all very simple. You've heard them a million times, things, but you know, they're all just easy, great things that you can do. But yeah, exercising. What does that mean? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean what you think. You don't have to go out and bench press 250 pounds for it to be considered exercising. Like, exercising can come in a whole bunch of different ways. You can go for a walk outside, you can do yoga or any other kind of stretching, like right in your house. You can jump rope, you can do push ups, you can swim or go running or play basketball or start boxing or any other martial arts, or you can play soccer or football for all my people around the rest of the world, uh, or you can lift weights. Like, there's just so many things that can be considered exercising. It doesn't have to fit under one umbrella or look one way. Like, it's just so many different things that you can do. But yeah, I mean, like I like lift weights and like some other stuff. But it's been one of the things that like I know I can always go to, like no matter how I'm feeling like throughout the day. I know I'm always gonna feel better after I go work out. Like it's really like a natural like sadness cure, or whatever. Like get a nice good sweat in, and you like feel on top of the world, like you're, like say in my case, like when I'm, you know, go get a good sweat in from running or lifting weights or whatever, like, I just feel like I can conquer everything. Like it's a really a big confidence booster, and it obviously offers your body like a bunch of benefits. Like, obviously there's the losing weight if you want to lose weight, or gaining muscle, or even just like sweating. The process of sweating like clears out toxins from your skin and body and stuff, and it helps just with so many different functions that it's just a great thing for you to do, and you don't have to exercise every day. Like, it can just be however many days you can get, like two. You can only get 2 days a week, or 1 day a week, or however many works for you. It's just a great way to get out, and you don't have to get out. You don't even have to leave your house. Like, you can literally just buy a jump rope and do some push-ups, and there you go. Like, you're good to go. Like, it's just the easiest way to really like feel good without having to invest a whole bunch of money or time into other things. Like, it's really good. So yeah, I would definitely start exercising if you can. And I understand there are people that have physical limitations, but there are so many different resources on the internet that can help you like find adjustments around your specific situation. So yeah, start exercising. It's great. Number 3, writing and reading on paper. Now, what does that mean? Well, for me, it means, where's my pen? It means taking one of these bad boys, a nice planner or notebook or whatever, and you can plan your day out in one of these, or for me, since I'm a creative person, I like to write poems and stuff on paper. Like, I used to take my trusty pen here, and I have my notebook, or even just a blank sheet of paper or whatever. Like, and just let my thoughts run, and you can just, I don't know. I feel like the benefits of writing on paper are just like, because we're so like caught up on our phones. And sure, I mean, I use my phone all day anyway too, like, but just taking that time out of the day to get a break from the phone and write on paper, putting something down on paper is so like very beneficial, like for your mind. Like, I feel like I can like think better when I'm writing on paper. Like, say, like, because I like to write songs and stuff, so I feel like I come up with better song lyrics when I'm writing on paper. Just a whole bunch of different things. Like, I feel like just pen and or pencil, whatever, and paper, just it gets you in a more relaxed state, like, and you can just flow with whatever you're trying to do, instead of with a phone. I gotta open up my notes app and find the specific folder that I had stuff in, and scroll down to it, and then if I get a notification from something, then I click on that, and then it's like an hour later I forgot why I even opened the thing up. And just blank sheet of paper and a pen is just, you can just go. It's no distractions. And yeah, I mean, it's the old school way of doing things, but I think it definitely has a lot of benefits, that even if you're not using it for like using a planner like this or anything, like, it's still just for writing down just simple thoughts that you have, or like like journaling or whatever. It's very good for like just helping you get out of your head and just kind of have a little escape. And with that, escape factor is reading physical books. So here I have this book called The Botany of Desire. It's very good. You should go check it out. He's talking about like the history of different plants, so like the apple and potato and a couple other ones. And he's talking about how their survival of their species depends on humans, wanting to help them survive. So it's very interesting. But yeah, reading physical books, like, you just retain the information better. I don't know what it is, but like when I like read stuff on my phone or on a computer or tablet or whatever, like, I don't know, I just feel like I kind of have a tendency to zone out more. And like I talked about the distraction thing, it's easier to get distracted, but with the physical book, it's just you and the words. And I don't know, I like the whole tactile, you can feel the paper, and a lot of different books use different fonts, and you can smell the pages, and it smells really good. And I mean, maybe it's too because I grew up, like, when I was little, I would like read physical books because that's pretty much all we had. But yeah, I don't know, maybe that's why I have a connection to them too. But it just offers like various benefits that I don't think technology can replicate. And yeah, like I said, I like the tactile nature of it. You just feel everything, and it's just simple. Like, I'm a big simple things guy, so maybe that's why all this stuff, I really always find myself coming back to these things because they're just simple. But yeah, so yeah, like writing stuff down on paper and then reading physical books, just it's great. It offers you a lot of things that I don't think our wonderful pieces of technology are able to do. Not that I think technology's bad or anything, because like I said, I use it all day, every day too, just like the rest of us. But it's just finding, like, if you have 5-10 minutes out of the day to read, like, or write something or whatever, like, it's nice little time to escape, everything else. But yeah, so yeah, those are 3 things that you can do, easy things to help you change your life. We had drinking water and exercising and writing and reading on paper. And yeah, they're just simple things that you can start doing every day. Like, you don't even have to order a book online. Like, you can just go to a library or something if you live in a place where there's a library, or go. Sometimes you might find like books out in an alley or something. Don't go explore alleys, but you know what I mean. Like, there's these are all like easy things that you can do. Like, drinking more water is just literally filling your cup up more than you normally would, and going back for another cup. Like, it's just small steps to help you. And then like exercising too, it's like just finding 5-10 minutes a day to just take a walk, or do some push-ups, or some crunch, some ab stuff, or like um, doing some bicep curls, or playing some soccer or basketball, or just something like, these are all like simple things that you can do, that don't really take too much more time or financial investment or anything to get started. So yeah, and then like, because I'm an artist, I have to kind of tie this all in too, is like, when you're creating art, you have to like be able to have a clear head and stuff, and like, just be able to let things just happen. So I feel like when you have enough water in your system and you exercised and you're not like constantly on your phone, like you read a few pages out of a book and took time to journal or whatever. Like it helps you just kind of get everything out, and then you can just fully focus on creating art, whether that's, you know, making music like me, or writing poems or stories, or you know, drawing, or whatever you like to do. Like it's you know, these are 3 things that'll really help you with your creative journey as well. So yeah, just wanted to get on and tell you some simple things that you can do to help you along here. So you don't have to feel lost. Like it's okay. There's easy things to help make your life better. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I have my links in the description if you want to check those out. And like and subscribe and all that happy stuff. And yeah, till next time, everyone. Peace.